This tutorial video is designed to accompany the worksheet for Lesson 18 of Learn Your Scales and Arpeggios for Saxophone, which introduces C# minor, the relative minor of E major. The worksheet for this lesson guides you through learning a scale and arpeggio which can be a bit confusing. It is important that you follow all the instructions on the worksheet, as this video will not cover all that is required by itself. To play C# minor for 2 octaves, you will need to start on bottom C#, which is accessed on the left-hand 5th finger keypad. This is illustrated on the worksheet. As with bottom B flat and bottom B, this fingering needs to be combined with the bottom C key in the right hand for the note to work. To move from C# to D#, you need to simultaneously lift the left-hand 5th finger and drag the right-hand 5th finger up from the C key to the D# key without lifting it. When moving into the 2nd octave of the scale, you can press the G# key when lowering all your other fingers for D#. When descending from G# in the lower octave, you must be sure to lift your left-hand 5th finger off the G# key to free it for the bottom C#. There is, however, another way. On the modern saxophone, the bottom C# key can also be used for the G#, as the mechanisms are linked. This simplifies the fingering of this scale and, as you will see, the arpeggio considerably. Your choice of fingering option will depend mainly on whether your instrument is designed to work this way. Exercise 36 will help you with this scale, whichever fingering you choose. Here is the scale of C# minor for 2 octaves. The same considerations apply to the arpeggio of C# minor. If you can play G# with the C# key, it's very easy, as your left-hand fingers move together like a flipper. If you don't have this mechanism, you will need to be sure not to get stuck on the G# key on the way down. Exercise 37 is for the arpeggio of C# minor. Here is the arpeggio of C# minor for 2 octaves. Complete practice plan 18 carefully and be sure not to leave anything out. Tick the boxes marked done as you go.